If your job offers you a 401k match and you're turning it down, you're turning down free money. I'm not exaggerating. This is a raise you could give yourself tomorrow. Okay, this isn't a course I'm trying to sell. I'm going to put the actual math on a whiteboard right now today and prove it. Give me 7 minutes. Stay with me. What's up? What's up? DonFron here, trading full time since 2015. Real estate agent. I've mentored thousands of people at this point. Now, real quick, I'm a full-time trader, so my situation does look a little different. I'll cover what self-employed people do in another video. Quick pun, make sure you're subscribed for that. But most of you watching, you guys have a W-2 job. And if your employer offers a match and you're skipping it, you're leaving more money on the table every single paycheck than you probably realize. Okay? Let's go. Now, last Friday, I talked about why saving alone will not make you rich. It just never will. Today, I want to set the table for everything I'm going to teach on this channel because there's a way to think about money that makes all of this click. You might have heard me say this before, unless you're a new viewer. There are two kinds of money: defensive money and offensive money. Defensive money is your savings account, your emergency fund, the cash you keep accessible so a busted radiator or a roof leak doesn't blow up your life. Defensive protects you. Defensive, it doesn't grow you, doesn't actually grow at all. Offensive money is investing. It's the index funds, the real estate, the businesses you own, the money that's actually working, earning while you sleep, compounding while you eat, growing while you're at your job. Now, you need both, okay? But most people they're playing the defensive game their entire career and wondering why they're not getting ahead. And they're not getting ahead because defensive, it just doesn't score, period. There's no other way around it. Today's video is about the easiest, fastest, biggest piece of offensive money in your life, and most people are leaving it on the field. That's a 401k match. Better than the stock market, better than real estate, better than picking the right stock. Someone's going to complain about that. And way more people than you think, people who qualify for this right now at their jobs, don't take it. Let me show you what they're walking past. Salary. Okay. Say you make 50 grand a year, round number. The math works the same for any salary. You just scale it. Okay. Now, let's write match. Now, the match your employer offers a 401k match. Say it's 100% match on your first 3%. So if we were to just add this out, we got 50,000. We're up here on 10. Now we got 100% on your first 3%. That's 3% of your contributions. But some companies, they even do like 50% on the first 6%. Some do 100%. Yeah, again, on the first 4 or 5. Whatever yours is, the math idea is the same. Now, your contribution, let's say $1,500. So you put in your 3% of your salary. 3% of your 50,000 is going to be 1,500. So let's go 1,500. Okay, now that's you. Okay, that's 1,500 of your money going into your retirement. Now this is yearly, right? So 50 grand is 50 grand, whether you get paid weekly, bi-weekly, anything like that. Your employer is going to match that. They put in 1,500 of their money, not yours, theirs. So we got an additional $1,500. Now, that total, all right, now you can, again, get the calculator out and fact check me, should be $3,000 in your retirement account. But you only put in $1,500. The other $1,500, they came from your employer. Now, let that land. Let that sink in for a little bit. Okay, that's a guaranteed 100% on your money. Okay, we're not talking the stock market averages 10% a year. This is actually 100% of your money going in. You put in 1,500, you end up with 3,000. Again, 100% return your money instantly before the market does anything, before any stock moves up or down. Period. Okay. Now, there's no investment on planet Earth so far that gives you that. None. So I trade options professionally, and I'm telling you, I cannot guarantee 100% of your return on your money. Your boss can. Your boss is offering it right now. And most people are saying, no thanks, because TikTok will have you thinking, I just need to worry about the next minute, not the next year or 10 years. Now, I know what you're thinking. I've heard all three of these. Let me knock them down. Objection one, I can't afford 3%. 3% of 50,000 is 1,500 a year. Divide that across 24 paychecks. That's $62 per paycheck. Your take home goes down by about $62. That's like on a biweekly basis. From 1,500, down to, I guess it'd be 1,438. I promise you won't feel it. You adapt your take home pay. Every American, they do it with taxes. You don't sit around grieving the federal income tax taken off the top of your paycheck. You just budget off the take home. Same idea here. Make the 401k deduction automatic and you'll literally never miss it. Objection number 2, it's locked up until retirement. That's a long time. Again, the TikTok theory. That's literally the entire point. So you don't just go blow it on something stupid, probably on the TikTok shop, because you can't touch it. Am I allowed to say the talk? Tic-tac-toe is what I meant to say. The reason rich people are rich is they don't liquidate their investments to buy a Peloton or a boat. You let it sit, it compounds, you touch it, you reset the clock. There are exceptions for emergencies, hardship withdrawals, things like that, so it's still technically accessible, but treat that account like it doesn't exist day to day. Now, objection 3 is I don't trust the stock market. God, if I had $1 every time I heard that, I would probably make so much I wouldn't need to be anywhere. This is your employer literally giving you free money. That part doesn't depend on stocks at all. Like once it's in the account, you choose what you want to invest in it. Most plans, they have a staple value fund or a bond option if you want lower risk. The match is the win. What you invest in, that's round 2, and we'll do a separate video on that. And to be honest, they're starting to open up a lot. There's a new law that passed that, or trying to be passed. While I'm recording, this could be a developing thing into another video. But right now, I know a very popular one of the W-2 jobs I have. There's like a medium risk, a high risk, and a low risk, and that's kind of it. And right now, they're trying to pass something where you could buy like crypto. You get to choose what you can buy. And I promise you'll want to be subscribed for that because that's going to be nuts. Now, 3 steps today. Right now, if you're at work, don't tell your boss you're on your phone. I don't think that's usually frowned upon. But you put this on repeat and you just keep listening, right? Okay. Now you can do this before lunch. Step 1, find out what your match is. Somebody there knows. Not everybody in there saying no. I promise. Somebody in there knows. Find out what your match is. You probably have some kind of portal or an HR department that you probably have to go to. Fidelity, Empower, Vanguard, whoever runs it for your company, they'll have it. They will tell you in one sentence. It'll be quick. We match this much percent up to this much percent of your salary. Step 2, set your contribution to at least whatever the match limit is. If they match 3%, you put in 3%, not less. If you can't afford more, put in more, but never put in less than the match. That's the free money you're just leaving on the floor. Okay. Step 3, pick where it gets invested. Most plans default to a target date fund, which is absolutely amazing, like a 2055 fund if you're retiring then. And I know Vanguard has a great target date funds. Don't overthink it. Not round 2 until one round is on. You can optimize the fund picks later. The match right now is the focus and what matters. Now, this is where I have to remind you, I'm not your financial advisor. No, this is personalized financial advice. I'm a trader. I'm a real estate agent. Talk to HR. Talk to a licensed fiduciary if you have one. And I could do a whole video on those. But do your own research, okay? But the 401k match is literally a free raise. Imagine walking to your boss. What if I told you right now, you walk into your boss, say, I want a 3% raise. You can pay me later. He's going to say, okay, that's how it is. There's no debate here. Okay, math is math. If your job offers it, you take it. End of story. Now, if this video saved you years of work, maybe you not know it yet, but it probably did, share it with somebody whose boss offers a 401. Okay, click the subscribe button. Friday, wealth videos drop weekly. Sunday and Wednesday, I'm live for like SPY, QQQ, the Dow. I do a Wednesday midweek recap. So that's, again, along for the trading stuff. So you'll get notifications throughout the week. But Friday, if you're new to this and you're here this far, Fridays are your day. Make sure you are here for that. I'll offer shorts throughout the week, but if you want the wealth videos, the lessons, if you are a blue collar worker, right, you're just in that middle class, upper middle class, lower middle class, and you just are tired of being there, that's another reason to share this video, because I know right now groceries suck. Gosh. Gas. I've never complained about gas prices because I'm not going to walk anywhere. And typically the gas goes up $1. It's an extra like $20 to fill up. That's nothing. Like the extra $3, whatever it is, doesn't mean anything. But when it doubles, you're like, these are truck prices to fill up, but I'm not driving my truck right now. So my brain's not computing this. All right. This is, I'm struggling here. No matter how much you make, it's annoying. And at the time I'm recording this, things suck. Okay. So now it doesn't matter whether things got better or not. Everything I went over in this video, everything I went over in the last Friday's video and the video before that, the one I'm doing next, it matters for you. This is just how things work, how things are, how you can take advantage and just grease the wheels a little bit, take a little bit of that stress off. You might not feel it like the next TikTok video and the dopamine hit. You might not feel it the next 15 seconds, but I promise, check this in 6 months. Turn on your investment, turn on your 401k, and if they have an automatic increase, like, hey, start me here at this 3%, but go ahead and every year raise it 1%, you'll literally never feel that 1%. You'll never notice it. But then check your 401k. Leave it a surprise. Set an alarm in your phone and check this thing in a year. Set it every 6 months. Log in and check out. Sometimes even just seeing that number go up can be a little bit of, hey, things suck right now, but there's a little bit of light at the end of the tunnel. Just don't turn down the free money. That's all I can say. It's just there. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it up here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do me a huge solid. Just make sure you're subscribed. Turn the notification bell on. You may or may not get it, but I will see you next Friday at the very least. Have a good one.